Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to trim video. Okay, for example, I will open example video. Yeah, I'll open this video. Now it will be shown in a video preview. In this option, you also can cut the video by clicking at these options, like move into this point and from the back into here. We already cut the video and you can attach this video into timeline. Click, hold and drag into timeline. In timeline, like I will cut again, like I will move into this point. You can click in the first and move into this point. And I will set again in it and you can move from the back into here. Now you can select the video and move into the first. You can play by clicking at this button. Okay, that's it, how to trim video in Shotcut. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.